Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 670 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV. This is the Sony Smart TV that has Google TV. So the first thing we want to do is put the headphones in the pairing mode. So let's look at the side with all the buttons. That would be the right side. And currently the headphones are off. So let me go ahead and turn these on. And as soon as I turn these on, we'll know if it's a pairing mode, if it says pairing. And also we'll know from a blue blinking light that will blink down there. So let's turn it on and see what happens. Power on. Oh, that's it. It didn't say it was pairing, and I don't get no blue blinking light here. It has to be like a faster blue blinking light. So mine's not in pairing mode. So let me manually just put this in pairing mode. I'm gonna double tap this power button. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Now it says pairing. Now you see that blue light. That's how we want it blinking, a little bit faster like that. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our LG TV and just go directly to your settings. You can click on the settings, the gear icon button on your remote, or you can navigate to the home page here. Click on the home button on your remote. Then you just navigate all the way to the gear icon. Just keep moving over to the right. And then make sure all settings over there is highlighted. We'll click on OK on the remote. Left pane here, we're going to go all the way down to remotes and accessories. Let's go ahead and select that. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to go down to pair accessory. Let's select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is Bluetooth range about 30 feet or so. And let's see, it's still in pairing mode here. It should have found it already, but it didn't. This is my first time connecting to this TV here. Typically, if it takes too long, we can just click on the back button here, and then we can pair accessory, and we can just go do another quick search. And hey, what do you know? The Tune 670 NC just popped up. So now it's already highlighted, so I will select it. It says pairing. We should get a pairing request right there, and I'll select on pair. It says connecting. It said connected down there, and it just said connected on here as well. So there you go. We're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing these or connection issues, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for that link in the description area.